we were always going to play with the idea of an art school.
Something which I think people will come outside. Some always look at art, music, reading.